Hello and welcome to Affinity. Sometimes with a picture we might look at it and going, it's a pretty good, but maybe there's something we can do here. One of the things we would sometimes do is to look at the darks here, maybe saying this is a little bit too dark, maybe I would like to perk up some of the lights a little bit. One of the ways we sometimes do that is also sometimes with an overlay. So let's have a look at this and things that we could do. One of the ways to apply an overlay without duplicating the layer, saving a bit of space, is to put in a curves. So we'll put the curves there and bring this up here. And if we change the blend mode of this to overlay, you can see you get, well, it's probably a bit intense, isn't it? And we can play with the opacity of this, but here's another thing you can do, which is if you anchor the middle point here and pull this up, then you're getting a reduced effect on that. If we took off the overlay, you're actually creating a very weird effect here, because you've got a negative line down here. It's going downwards, which means the bottom end here of the shadows and early midtones here are being made negative. But if we do it with the overlay, where's that gone? There it is. Then we're getting a better effect. In fact, if we turn this on and off, yeah, that's off, back on again, off, back on again. You can see the way, if you look in the trees here, for example, where it's a bit dark, we've eased that off a bit. See, that's the original dark. Then on, we've eased that off a bit, and the same things happened up in the sky. So we kind of rebalanced this picture in a way, which, you know, maybe you'd like this. Let's have a look at what's really happening here. So we're going to move to just a picture of some gradients here. So we've got the solid colors going to black, going to white, and going down to grey. So if we put a curves onto this here, now if we turn this to overlay, let's go there, here we go, there's overlay. Now look at what's happened here. What overlay does, it intensifies the contrast here. So we've got layers here of the normal colour, and it's pulled this into the middle. Look, if we turn this on and off, look what's happened to that gradient. It's been sort of pulled into the middle, so you get that sharper effect across the mid-tones. And so if we put this in here and we anchor the middle point again, watch what happens to these curves when we pull this up. What we should be seeing here is it's stretching a bit, going from down here to up there. Look at the way that down there it's kind of intense, quickly changes over from the normal colour to the black, and there we sort of soften it, we make it a little bit easier. So that's what we're effectively doing, we're softening that overlay effect in the original picture. Okay, there we go. That's an interesting curve. Hope you might find that useful, and thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.